Alright, so let's look at how to put LED lights in your early bug. This might even be a problem if you're running the late model housings too. But these are, you get these housings here on eBay. They're very inexpensive there. They come in a box like this. You know, and you get the housing and then you put the is it H4s? Or, yeah, H4s. H4s, LEDs in. Believe it or not, even the way that they are right now, they actually fit in the housing, in the casing. So one of the things we found is if you look at the bulbs here, the thickness here, they're actually a little bit thinner, because if you see it kind of mounts on this little lip right here. It's a little bit thinner between here and the top of here than the original glass bulb was. So what we found to make it work out is we flip the ring that you put this in with. So this will work on bug or bus upside down, and put it on, and then put the clips in like that. You can see that works out pretty good. It's a little bit tougher to get the clips in, but they hold fine. It works fine. And then you can get that brighter light on this. You know, it looks like a regular bulb, but it's gonna have a little bit brighter headlight in the original. So, and you could probably do the same thing with 6-volt. We're probably gonna do that in the future here, but we just decided to put this set in our 12-volt van first. And then I'm going to put the 6-volt ones in the other one. If I see anything different, stay tuned. I'll let you know about that. But that's the difference between the new one and the old. Decided to do a quick video on that. Talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.